যে ওই যে
Yes.
5 নম্বর শেষ করছি
No, 6. We did 6.
6 নম্বর
We did
Oh,
till 6.
okay.
Now we will start 7 today. So can you read the question?
Question: A student watches a demonstration of the total internal reflection in a semicircular glass block. He takes notes, but some of his notes are wrong. Place a tick or a cross in the table to show which statement.
So what is total internal reflection? Tell me.
If if angle of incidence is more than critical angle and the light and the path of light is from a dense medium to a rare medium, then it is not refracted, rather it is total internally reflected at the uh, dense medium and rare medium boundary within the dense medium.
Okay, very good. So you chose right or wrong notes about the. Okay, so the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection, correct? The light changes speed when it is internally reflected, wrong. Every ray entering the semicircular glass box is reflected by two. What about the third one? Every ray entering the semicircular glass block is reflected by total internal reflection. All the rays will be like that. Will it be?
Every day entering
So every ray entering the semicircular glass box is reflected by total internal reflection. So if you are giving one ray here only, just 25 degree, then there will be a total internal reflection. Huh?
In case of total internal reflection, the word says that all the light are reflected.
No, all the that one you are saying, but there every ray entering the semi-circular block is reflected by total internal reflection. So will all of them will be reflected, or only if it is greater than critical angle, then will be reflected?
Uh, if it is greater than critical angle,
So
then all the lights will be reflected.
So what they are asking? They are asking every ray entering the semicircular block is reflected by total internal reflection. What are they saying? So you see, it's cross. What I said, that one they are saying is not correct. This statement cannot be correct because if I give one ray here, that one, if it is less than critical angle, it will not be reflected by total internal reflection. So it's, I think you have the information, but you misunderstood the question.
Yes.
That is the problem. So you give here cross, then give here -1.
Yeah, first mark lost in this paper.
Really?
Yes.
So you completed the path of ray this way.
Cross, cross, tick, tick. Yes. Reflective window. Speed by speed. So,
So your answer is with the first. It's the trend pattern, right?
Mm,
And you said the graph is on the point is on the graph, right?
sir, actually, I have uh, extended the line.
Yeah, extrapolation on of the line too, right? That one.
Feeds that I have written likely to be located on the graph.
Yes, same thing, right?
But I write down what is written.
Yeah, yeah.
Feeds trend or pattern.
Are you done with writing?
Uh, point is on an extrapolation of line 2. Then let me write. Point is extrapolation. Sir, what is mean by extrapolation?
Extrapolation means what you said about extension, right? What I understand, extrapolation is like that, which you
Extension.
yeah, which you extended or what you increased from the main drawing, what you increased.
And also I have shown on the graph.
Mhm.
Two reasons why.
So extrapolation, can you please note down? It is extension of a graph. Okay.
Extrapolation
It has
extension.
yeah, it has some other meanings. So I think here in this context, it is the appropriate meaning. Okay.
Huh, I have written.
Okay. Now suggest two reasons why the axis of the graph do not start from 0. Refractive index can never start from 0. Mhm. Critical angle can never be 0. Suggest two reasons why the axis of the graph do not start from zero. A reduced scale gives full use of grid. So what do you think?
Refractive index can never be zero.
Yeah.
There is Sir, one thing I have found that uh, refractive index can be less than 1 in some cases. In one question solving, I have found that.
Mhm. So one thing you wrote here, Ri is always more than 1. From where you will get R and I? So here you wrote angle, allow angle C never be 0, right?
Yes,
So your this one came,
critical angle never 0.
yeah, angle C greater than 20 degree. Critical angle C never be 0. So another one, Ri is always more than 1. So what is Ri?
Refractive index.
Refractive index. So that one you said, right? You wrote refractive index can never be 0. So you can write refractive index will be greater than 1. Refractive index can never be 0. So you write it different way. Refractive index will be greater than 1. Hmm? Is it clear? Hello?
Uh,
This one here.
Idea that reduced scale gives fuller use of grid.
That will be okay. Huh? That one is not a big problem. You write this one again correctly. Ri is always more than 1.
And more than 1.
Mhm.
And for
Ri is always more than 1. Refractive index.
for incidence in air. Incidence
Okay. Now it is
always.
question number 8. Huh? So here you give -1.
Why?
You wrote refractive index can never be 0. So here we have here this one. Okay, fine. We are using refractive index can never be zero. We are using here one, but it is also a very important point that we are starting from one. We did not start from point 0.5, right?
Yes.
Or we did not start from 0.1. Okay, so it is very significant idea or important information for you that refractive index will be always greater than you.
So you are asking to give -1.
Yes, yes. Because the answer should be for this one, it should be to the point answer. So now question number 8. Which additional measuring instrument does the student need for the investigation? Okay, it is passing through the origin, and this is also one thing we have to mention here about the graph I'm talking about. This is straight line, right? You wrote already straight line
Uh,
passing through the origin. Yeah. Here you wrote weight of a fixed weight. Yeah. Better to use here other than weight. We can use here light. Yeah. That is touch a load. We can say load, right? Because
yes.
weight is here coming again. Write here load, that will sound good. So one thing also I was searching, that is you wrote it is straight line or not. Okay, then I found it is straight line. Fine. Then your answer is likely be correct all. Let's see.
I've written a long answer.
Yeah, you wrote long answer and all are correct. I think all came. You wrote
Recording
about
data.
new length. You wrote about uh, this one weight, mass, all these things together.
Known means actually fixed.
Mhm. Then
Fixed load
experimental,
load
experimental.
you wanted to say that the word load is better than weight.
Yeah, yeah. Because you are saying again load. Yeah, again you are saying pressure, right?
I have I have written the word weight again and again.
Mm-hmm. Okay, done this one.
Mm, So the original measure the new length. Repeat experimental data. They have written about something. So experimental data means distance measurement from say each time. Uh, uh, Reduce parallax error. Repeats the average. Handling data. Then I see. Calculate extension. Plot graph of extension. I have written yes. Plot. Allow length but not mass. Ah, sir. Sir, may I see the mark scheme
Yeah,
again?
you skipped one part here, right?
What?
Yeah, you want to see mark scheme.
Yes. They have also said like here, calculate k from data. K is constant.
Mm-hmm.
That means gradient actually.
Yes. Now handling the data and conclusions.
Let me see. Oh, I have written about here. Repeat. Repeat the process.
So all the things came. I checked. All the points came.
Actually, sir, that
Hmm.
picture is given. I have taken help from the picture as well.
What picture?
At the top.
Okay, okay. I understand now. Now question number 9, right?
Yes.
Can you read?
Diagram shows an electric motor. The electric motor needs a direct current. Explain what is meant by the term direct current. Direct current means current which does not change direction and value with time.
So you did not write this?
Uh, did not.
Mm-hmm. Have you got it?
Explain the purpose of brushes and commutators. One thing just I know that brush is made of carbon, but is it graphite?
Hmm. So what are the uh, answer of it? Explain the purpose of the brushes and the communication in DC motor.
Actually, I don't know it properly. Our book has not given that. No.
So purpose of the brushes. What is the purpose of the brushes? So this one is reducing friction, right? As the
Oh,
brass is made from graphite, it is hmm,
graphite is a lubricant.
yeah, lubricant. So make it. Yeah. Now commutator. What is the purpose of the commutator in DC motor?
Split ring commutator
Yeah.
to reverse connection. I
To reverse the current direction after every half turn of the coil.
Hmm.
Write it. Have you got it?
uh,
DC
sir.
motor
So
one?
checking. I want to check with Mark skip.
Yeah. I just told you that what is the purpose of commutator, right? What I told?
You told that a brush is a type of reduces friction.
Okay.
Oh, sir. In the
Yes.
previous question, what the tool they have written? Meter
Ruler.
ruler, allow set square tape. Uh, oh, I know those.
Hmm.
Uh,
So it is done, right?
yes,
This question.
yes.
Equals IV 2.4 megawatt. 2.4 megawatt you got, right? Hmm.
Sir, I have not written the purpose of brush.
Why?
Oh, sir, you have skipped to next question. Actually,
Skip to next question. So you heard it, so you can write it, isn't it?
I have I have heard, but I want to also check. So
Okay, you want to.
mark
Okay,
scheme
you
is
want to.
better.
Okay. You want to check from here.
Yes. Oh, 6 MP. Uh, mm,
So I mentioned here every half turn reverse the current direction, right? Isn't it?
huh? Let
Every
me
half
see.
turn reverse the current direction, right? I told you that one.
Provides a.
The
Let
second
me.
one.
MP1 provides a connection
Yes, current to the coil commutator.
provides.
So what is the
Sir, you are not giving me chance.
okay, wait. You have to write all.
Yes,
Okay, right, no problem.
provides connection or current to coil or commutator.
Yeah, that one is conductor, right? Graphite, and it is lubricant, so that there is no friction.
Let me MP2 idea of
Done.
let me write idea of reversing current. Reversing current coil. MP3 every half turn. Not I have written all.
Done, right?
MP4
Be fast.
reverses field field or polarity. Sir, today is cold, isn't it?
Yeah, winter started.
And I am also feeling that my skin
Yeah,
is dry
dry. It's
and rough.
dryness.
So force is always in same. So that force is always same. আমার
Done.
so that force is always in- so that motor keeps so that I am writing the last point so that motor keeps turning. Motor keeps turning, keeps turning in same way. Sir, I think that if the connection was not reversed, then it would once rotate clockwise yeah, halfway, then again halfway anti-clockwise, isn't it?
Yes. So it is done, right?
Yes. So what have I written? Still spins clockwise. Sir, may I see? Oh, motor still turns, spins clockwise. Then no overall. Oh, there is also other points I should write.
That is direction remains same.
No over. Let me write. No overall. No overall effect or direction remains same. Direction. Two changes cancel out. Nothing. Two changes. Nothing changes. So done.
Okay, done.
So next, P is equal to IV.
This is correct. This is correct. We will see the work done is correct or not. Yeah, 7.6 into 10 to the power 7, you know. Done. This part is done. Okay.
More time will be needed to do this work.
Yeah, correct. Give your answer to figures 5.5 centimeter. Yeah, okay. If out of range on uh, 4.744. But you got what? 4.734. Oh, 744. Okay. So this question is left.
Yes. Two methods are likely to give different result.
So string one is less accurate, right?
General any four of paper. General
So you write all these points.
yes. This was actually a error question
Mhm.
about.
This question is
So
about errors.
yes, in
Then
our book there is not any topic about error. But I know that in your Cambridge curriculum there is, yeah, a, a total topic about error.
yeah, yeah. Finish writing, huh? Quickly.
General. MP1. Defend position. Use of SF, I write in short. I will understand. In mathematics, we do this. We write here SF, DP.
Mm-hmm.
Calculation error. Value for pi.
Mm-hmm.
I know some will take 3.114, some will take 22 by 7, some will take 3.142, some will take 3.1416, etc. etc. Unit error. What is unit error? How does unit error occurs? Sir, what's about unit error here?
Mm-hmm.
What is unit error here?
Like when you are writing unit, if there is any error in writing unit, that is unit error. Okay.
Example?
Uh, like in case of writing centimeter, you are writing meter this way.
Oh,
In case of writing centimeter cube, you are writing meter cube. Those.
MP4, white of pen mark.
With.
Oh, with wide width.
Mm-hmm. Are you done?
Not yet. String. Then Actually, actually, this type of mark scheme proves that that is not all the things written in our book.
Yeah, that's why mark scheme is very much important to learn because you are getting here all the ideas together, right?
Yes,
Which one you gave and which one you missed, all the things are there.
and also given in brief,
Hmm.
not like unnecessary discussion.
Yeah, yeah. Bit fast, eh?
Has inconsistent tension. Thickness of string makes circumference larger. String.
None.